Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Korean Open Government Data Portal Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. This actor lets you extract structured dataset metadata from South Korea's official open data portal, data.go.kr. This portal hosts over 50,000 public datasets from government agencies. These include APIs, downloadable files, and standardized datasets across areas like weather, transportation, economy, and public health. It collects dataset level info, not the raw data itself. So that means things like dataset titles and descriptions, dataset types, government organization and category, API endpoints, and documentation links. This is especially useful for research, API discovery, and building public data catalogs without manually browsing thousands of pages. So, how does it work? There's two main ways to control what gets scraped. The first option is a URL. You can get the URL from the data.go.kr website. Let's say, for example, I search for transportation. I can add any other filters I want, and then simply copy the URL from here and paste it in here. You can also use a keyword search where you fill in these specific inputs and then the scraper will get the info for you. For example, a keyword for weather, I want API datasets. You can add any recommendation types, condition types, and then any keyword array. You can also check in extra info in these question marks. Remember, you can only use one of the two. And then once you're ready, you select the maximum number of items you want scraped, and then you can either run it once or schedule it according to your needs. For this demo, we'll run it once. Now, we'll let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes, you'll get this dataset table in the Output tab. Each row represents one dataset from the Korean Open Government Data Portal, and it includes info like dataset ID and title, dataset type like API or file, organization and category, full description, tags and keywords, view count and download count, and the dataset page URL. You can also download the data as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file. And this makes it easy to compare datasets, identify high usage APIs, and prioritize which data sources are worth integrating or analyzing further. So this scraper is ideal if you want to discover Korean government APIs quickly, build structured catalogs of public datasets, and analyze dataset popularity and usage signals. And it saves you hours or days of manual browsing. And if you have any issues with the scraper, feel free to contact us. And if you like it, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.